Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video, we're gonna be creating holiday inspired glitter look, saying that this could be easily any, party makeup look or anything. It just involves glitter, and I feel like, Christmas period, New Year and so on requires a little bit of glitter. Okay? Without any further ado, let's do this. So for today's look, I'm gonna use the Ciara I'm a Woman, What's Your Superpower eyeshadow palette. So for our transition, we're gonna straight away go with this pink shade. I'm taking the Universal Base Brush by Beauty. So what I'm doing, I'm going higher than my crease is with this, and then out the corners. So basically like a C shape. Alright, it all looks messy just now, but just bear with me. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the dark pink shade using exactly the same brush and gonna concentrate on the outer corners only. Kind of like a liner at first and then just buffing the shade up. Alright, next thing I'm doing, I'm taking a little bit of a concealer on the eyeliner and brows brush. I'm gonna do a little cut crease moment. Don't worry if you're gonna go a little bit messy or anything, because I'm gonna cover it up with glitter later on, so it doesn't need to be super tidy or neat. So what I'm doing, I'm just watching straight to the mirror and doing the cut crease part where I would like it to be, so it's visible on my hooded eyes. And later I just close my eyes and drag this concealer down and kind of blend it, and then we're gonna go with a little bit of the eyeshadow. But as I said, if you can't do like a proper neat line, don't worry about it, although this brush makes it so much easier because look how neat it looks. Taking the Precise Shadow brush by Beauty and this light shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the part where we just applied the concealer. I'm just blending the part where this light shade and the pink shade meets, so there's no harsh lines at all. It's like nice and soft. And blending, I'm not adding any more product or anything, just what's on this brush, because we used it already for a pink shade. Alright, next up, the glitter. I got a lot of glitters in here from Cosmetics. Love this brand. Check it out, guys. It's vegan and cruelty free if you've never heard of them. There is this glitter base eye primer in the Precision Liner brush by Beauty. And what I'm gonna do with that, I'm gonna go as I would do with a liner with this glitter primer. So we're just priming prior applying the glitter. Cosmetics has so many different pink glitters. This one that I chose is a 3D Showgirl. I'm gonna add a little bit on the lid. Okay, just taking some on the brush. Going on the top of this primer. Liner part is ready. We're gonna do exactly the same thing, but on the cut crease part. Once again, glitter primer. This primer, you guys, is like the best primer I ever tried for the glitters. I used it in the past and it literally stays on for forever. I'm not even exaggerating. Coming back to the glitter. Okay guys, we're nearly done with eyes. Should I add a little bit of a silver or should I just leave it the way it is? Let's do this, because you know what, why not? So I'm taking the same primer, so I'm gonna apply the silver just on the top in here. Actually, you know what, I'm not gonna take a silver, I'm gonna use the shade Reflects Blue. So what I'm doing, I'm not even prepping lids or anything, I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and just pressing in. I'm gonna go with Winged Lashes. Alright, so the lashes are on. Let's do the face. I just used the Hungover Primer by Too Faced. And for foundation today, I think I'm just gonna carry on with Cosmetics as I use the glitter. I'm gonna blend with the Flathead Foundation brush by Beauty. Alright, foundation and all is on. Let's finish the lower lash line before applying the lippy. So I'm coming back to the same shadow palette and I'm just gonna go with this shade all over my lower lash line. Alright, a little bit mascara, lippy, and we're done. So for mascara, I'm going with Ciate Triple Shot XSL Mascara. Alright guys, let's apply the lippy. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the Ash Cosmetics Lip Liner Contour Pencil in Mocha. Alright, for the lippy, I'm gonna go with the Ash Cosmetics Liquid Matte Lipstick in Perfect Nude. What do you guys think of this makeup look? If you're gonna go and recreate this, please tag me in your pictures. I would absolutely love to see that. I know I'm always saying this, but you guys make my day when you tag me in your pictures. True story. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, what you'd like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day guys, ciao for now!